this goes here. Hey fam, my name is also Fam, and today we're gonna unbox my medical equipments. If you want, you can fast forward to the unboxing section. But first, I'm gonna talk to you about my first class of PA school. I was actually supposed to have my first class yesterday, as in Thursday, and it was going to be human physiology, but because of scheduling issues, today ended up being my first day of class, and I had clinical medicine. I can't really give you much details about what happened in class because of our social media policy, so I'm just gonna keep things very general. Our first lecture was about dermatology, so basically we talked about skin cancer. It was a straight 2-hour lecture about the topic, but the entire time I could not believe I was sitting there. Being in PA school alone is amazing, but the fact that I got to go to my dream school, that's still mind-blowing to me, and I'm still in shock. It was an amazing lecture and I enjoyed learning about the material, but I also know it's only the first week. I have all this enthusiasm and excitement now, and it may not last over the next couple weeks, but right now I just want to take the time and be grateful. I'm going to try to keep you updated about my PA school life as often as I can, but to be completely honest, PA school is very challenging and there's a lot of material for me to cover, so I simply may not have the time. For now, I at least plan on posting every other week on Tuesdays around 8 a.m. and that's starting next week until the end of the semester in mid-December. So currently that is the plan and I'm gonna try my best to stick to it. Wish me luck. Okay, off to unboxing. I apparently brought a long list of stuff. We're gonna go through the little stuff first and then on to the big toys. I mean the fancier equipment. I'm gonna be completely honest with you guys, I have no idea what some of these things are, but it's exciting that eventually I'll know how to use all of them. First up, we have our 2 tuning forks. I did not take them out of the packaging yet, but I'll get to it. And then we have our reflex hammer. We have to have some measuring tape along with our handy dandy ruler, and of course a pen light, a whole pack of tongue depressors, a digital thermometer with a bunch of sheets for it, an EKG caliper, which I don't know how to use, and a never-ending supply of ear specula. Also an eye chart, which is very familiar to me because of my background, and an eye model. Then we have our sphygmomanometer, or the blood pressure cuff. I'm so used to cheating and using the automated ones. Now I have to learn the manual, so that'll be fun. Next up is our diagnostic kit, which cost way too much. This is what the inside looks like, and I pretty much only know how to use the ophthalmoscope. You just twist it on, turn it on, and there you go. There's a bunch of filters on it, like this one. Oh, we use this to check angles, and this one, it's blue. We use this to check pressures. And then a little one, different sizes, and we even have a green filter on it. Okay, this is the only one I know. That's it. Then use the same one to put this one on, and it works like this. Just kidding, it goes here. And to hold everything in one place, I bought this bag. It has so many pockets, I hope I can fit everything right here. And what was that? I'm missing something? Okay, I'm officially a PA student. I bought the Littman Cardiology 4, and to differentiate from my classmates, I got a rainbow finish on it. Alright, I'm officially going places. This is going to be an amazing, difficult, long journey, and I hope I can bring you along with me. If you have any questions or if there's anything you want to share, please leave them on the comment section below, and subscribe if you're interested in my PA journey. Thank you for watching.